Hey, this is David Wells, and I'm here to show you guys the new and improved A/B testing for WordPress landing pages. So before with WordPress landing pages, you'd use the split testing options down here. We're actually going to phase those out or repurpose that functionality for something else. The new A/B testing stuff, and there'll be warning signs in all the old sections that might be phased out, so you guys will have plenty of notice. But basically, the new A/B testing, if you go into any landing page, you'll see these new tabs and a way to add a new landing page variation. You'll also see this drop-down menu of all the current variations you have running for this particular page. So the way to add a new variation is by simply clicking on the tab Add New Variation. And that will clone from the original landing page itself, all the values and what have you. So this is cloning from variation A, and then also the options from variation A. You can also, if you want, so I'm going to go ahead and update this, save it as variation D, update that page, and now you can see we have variation D. And the links to these landing pages to get the individual variations, if you click on the variation tab, and click on View Landing Page, you'll actually see that particular variation. You can also preview these. So if I want to preview variation D, I click on the preview link and that will pop open this window. So this is variation D. I can look at variation C, B, whatever variation you have set up. So it's very quick and easy to toggle through to see what the differences are in your landing pages and the different stats between them. The other option for setting up a new variation, so let's say I want to clone directly, I want to clone variation C. I can just go ahead and come down to variation C, click on clone. That will take all the values from variation C, clone them into our new editing area, all the metadata and what have you. And then I can go ahead and change any of those options here. Update them automatically or update them all with the update button. So I'm going to go ahead and rename this variation E, update this page, and there you have it. There's a new variation E. And if I scroll down, I can see all the updated values. And again, I can preview these in the preview box here. So this is variation E with that new colored button. Another new feature that we've added in is the visual editor. So if you click on Launch Visual Editor, you can actually see your landing pages in relation to what they're going to look like on the page. So anything that you want to edit. So let's say I want to add exclamation points to this page. I can go ahead and update that, and we can see the actual live update over here. Again, we can toggle through our different variations if we want to see the different variations that we have and edit them on the fly. So we've made it extremely easy to A/B test different landing pages and basically rock with your inbound marketing. Another added bonus that comes with the new visual editor options, and this is all included in the free WordPress landing page plugin, is the visual editor. So it works extremely well with the landing pages, where you can go ahead and edit any of those options on the fly. It also works with any post or page in WordPress. So if you go into an actual blog post on your site, you should see the visual editor button up here in the top right. If you go ahead and click on that, it'll open up the same visual editor, and you can actually update the post title or the actual content area on the fly to kind of preview what that looks like and do some visual editing for people that like to kind of see things while they're working on them. And there you have it. That's the new stuff. Hope you guys enjoy. Let us know if you have any feedback, questions, comments. You can always tweet me at David Wells or tweet at Inbound Now. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy.